Alright guys, so today we have another product for you. It's a power board by a company called Sansai. Very budget-friendly power board and has a lot of cool features, which is why I've bought it probably for the 5th time now. Now, the reason I like this particular power board is because it comes with 6 individual spaced out sockets and they've got the little on and off switch. It's got that overload and surge protection light, which is pretty cool. It lets you know if the board is working and if there is protection on your board. I like the build quality of it as well. It feels like kind of more solid and premium product than the competition for the price that you get. And it works really well. I've really never had it fail at any point. This is what it looks like outside of the box, and you get a 1 meter cable, which is plenty long enough. You get that little reset switch. If occasionally you need to reset the light, it's there for you. And yeah, overall pretty happy with the product, and I hope you guys check it out and give it a go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.